What's going on, guys? I'm Bill and welcome to Bill's How To. Today we're going to be comparing the traditional speed bores, also known as a spade or paddle bit, versus the new style. Irwin calls this a Speed Bor Max. Now this product came both in the one packaging, so I thought awesome time to be able to test the two. They're brand new, straight out of the packaging, so we're going to put these two to the test. Irwin claims that their spade or paddle bits are 4 times better than your standard ones, and their Speed Bor Max is 6 times better. So let's see how much difference there is between the two. Quick comparison when we have a look at the two. The traditional method has 2 edges or 2 cutting edges, and it's got 1 sharp point on the tip which helps stabilize it and drive through and center that bore. When we compare it with the new style, obviously this one here has 3 cutting edges and the tip also has the threads on it. So it'll be interesting to see if this self-drives into the timber, and because this is fluted and it spirals the same way as a drill bit does, it might actually throw those shavings out a bit quicker. But guys, there's only one way to find out, so let's get straight into the test. Let's do this. So we'll be starting with a 20mm spade or paddle bit. Brand new, straight out of the packaging. It's also got the quick connect for your 1/4 inch. In my case, I'll just be using the drill driver. So obviously my arm is in a sling, so I'll be using just one arm for this test. First hole I'll be drilling will be just the weight of the drill alone, so no pressure on top. And then the second hole we'll apply some pressure and see how much difference it makes. Let's do this. So first hole, ready, set, go. Now obviously that was a little bit slow, and that's simply because we put no pressure on top. We allowed the drill bit to do all the work just with the weight of the drill alone. So I'll be interested to find out whether or not the Speed Bor Max allows it to self-drill or propel itself into the timber using those threads on top. But for now, let's put a little bit more pressure and see how much difference it makes. 3, 2, 1. So there we have it, guys. That was definitely a lot quicker, but still I think the Speed Bor Max has to live up to its expectation. Apparently 6 times quicker than the average spade or paddle bit. Let's try it out and find out. And now we'll try the Speed Bor Max and see how much difference there is. So now we're going to use the Speed Bor Max. Once again, no pressure on top. Let's see what difference it makes. 3, 2, 1. Nice! You can tell that those threads actually do self-drive. They're self-drilling. That's exactly what I was after, and that makes the world of difference. So no more tension on your arms, no more force. Let's try it again. No more pressure. 3, 2, 1. That is extremely impressive. Let's put some pressure on and see what kind of difference we're dealing with. Ready? Put pressure on. That was nice and easy. I don't feel as though there was that much difference between the two. Obviously putting the pressure on did make it come a little bit quicker. However, with no pressure, very, very impressive. Once again, no pressure. That is unreal, guys. So let's make this a little bit more interesting. We're going to see how far down we can get on this 150mm piece of timber. So we're going to try drive it all the way down until it hits the chuck. So let's drive our first one down. 3, 2, 1. And there we have it. We'll just pull that one back out. So that's a nice clean hole all the way down. Obviously it was a bit slow with no pressure. I found that sometimes it would actually catch onto the timber and then start to drive a bit further, but there was no constant drive all the way down without the pressure. So once again, we'll find a new spot to drive this through. 3, 2, 1. Nice and easy. That was with absolutely no pressure, guys. Those threads on top just self-drive and propel that all the way in. As you can tell, there's a lot more shavings on here. So there you have it, guys. Between the traditional spade and paddle bit and the Speedbor Max, we have a clear winner. I won't be going back to that one anymore. The reason why the Speedbor Max was so much better was because it was so user-friendly. Those threads on top make the world of difference. As you guys seen, very, very little effort or pressure onto the drill itself, and it was able to just self-propel and self-drive it straight through that timber, and I had no problems in pulling that out. The thread is actually very, very sharp on the tip, as both of them are. But I mean, with regards to the threads, that makes the world of difference. I believe if we had these threads on the old traditional method, I think it'll make a huge difference and would be very, very close in terms of comparison. So guys, that's my overall opinion. Hopefully you guys have enjoyed this video. If there's anything else you guys would like to see or learn how to do around the house, put it in the comment section below and I'll be happy to show you guys how to do it. As always, like, comment and subscribe. Until next time, I'm Bill. Thanks for watching Billshowto.